Alright people, how are we? After last week's video, I thought I'm going to do something mild. A sauce review, maybe one pod or something. So I've got 10 little reapers here to try. The smell coming off these is unbelievable. They're fresh, frozen. TJ Burns grew them and sent me them last year. They've been in my freezer a while. It could have been maybe even 2019. Yeah, and you can freeze pods and take them out. They're a little bit soft texturally, which I struggle with, but same flavour, same pod. In terms of losing heat, I'm not too sure whether they do. I know they're hot. Smell like reapers. Smell hot. So does, yeah, I don't really know what I'm going to do or how I'm going to approach it. They are very small, as you can probably see. It's probably the biggest one there. It's quite small. It was a lovely start to the day. I think it's just starting to rain now, and we've got some washing on the line, so I might have to dart out. I might not even be able to get through half of them, I don't know, but we're going to find out. So, without further ado, I don't think there's going to be an afterburn. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, no pain, Bane. The texture of a defrosted pepper is bordering on revolting. It's slimy and I just really struggle with it. Anyway. They're really hard to swallow. And hot. It's not the heat, it's the texture. Oh. Three more. Yay. That was really floral. That's 8 tiny little reapers. It's getting warm now. Go on. They are so hard to swallow. I'm nearly gipping on everyone. Oh. My tolerance is just after last weekend, last Friday, the bomb chug. It's just ridiculous. It's a lot higher. I keep on watching the window because it's going to start raining. I don't want the washing to get wet. Well, guys, there's another video. If you like the videos, like, share, subscribe, comment. I'll get back to you. I appreciate it. Appreciate all your support. A bit of a kind of an endorphin rush kicking in there. Heat level isn't too bad, probably a 5. Texture, that was awful. Anyway, thank you very much, guys. Goodbye.